Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika. I was lost the whole month of December. Many things happening, COVID included, but this year I am back. I'm gonna start making videos again in here, so I'm sorry for the wait. So today we are gonna be talking about the Ohuhu metallic brush pen markers, and they are dual markers as well. So the first thing I noticed when I got the package is that it was broken and it looked a little bit used, so I didn't like the packaging at all. And it's not very practical to store this in a minimal space. As you can tell, this is big, but it has so many beautiful colors for a very affordable price. No more than 13 bucks at the time I got them. So it's really a bargain on that part. One of the markers though, let me show you, it's not this one. This one is fine. I think it's this one. Yeah, for example, the barrel comes indicating that this is the fine liner and this is the brush, but this marker in particular came upside down. So where it says fine, it came with a brush tip, and where it says brush, it came with a monoline tip, as you can tell. Not that I mind too much, but I don't know, I thought you should know, right? So you might expect little details and flaws from these ones, but I mean, at that price range, yeah. The colors don't match the caps. Like the purple looks like a bluish purple, for example. I don't know, it just the colors and the cap seem off. It's not like the Spectrum Noir metallic markers, for example, that the cap is metallic and matches the metallic ink that you are getting. So it's really helpful when you're picking your colors. So the body of this pen is like glittery. It's really pretty, to be honest, but it doesn't come identified with a color name nor number on it. You pretty much name the colors yourself. So I'm showing you the swatches of them. I swatch all of the colors. They are beautiful indeed, and I like the fact that the nib doesn't think like it's going to fray so quickly. It bounces back with ease. It's really a pleasure to feel it on your hand and press it down, and you know, it feels good. It feels like it's good. So on that part, at least, I'm very satisfied. The ink flow though is very juicy. It's not like, for example, as you might be seeing right now, Spectrum Noir or Kuretake, they dry almost instantly. Meanwhile, markers like this, Kelly Creates, they are so juicy, they might take a little time to dry. But I'm noticing the Ohuhu ones are the ones who take most time to dry. So if you are a lefty, you need to keep this in mind, because you know, you might just ruin your work and you won't be happy. So keep that in mind. Also, something that I noticed, I have like 3 sets of metallic markers in my life, and never ever any of them came with a white brush pen. So this is not metallic, but it's a plain white brush pen. So you might need to write down like twice on the same spot to get a really thick, like real white. But it's really good actually, and it's a nice touch. To me, this is just a plus, because usually people is always buying white brush pens like separate from any set, you know. So this set is very complete when it comes to range of colors and shades. Yes, it has details that could be improved, as I told you, like the caps and the colors should match, or they could come with number or names or whatever. But overall, for such a little price, so you know, it's not expensive, for God's sake. And you are getting nice markers which are gonna bounce back, which have a rich ink flow to them. The colors are bright and opaque. I like them more on white paper though. They look nice on black paper, but on white paper you see the sheen they have. And I don't know if it is because my black paper is very porous, I don't know, and absorbs too much of the ink, but they don't shine, okay, blah blah blah, they don't shine so well on black paper, at least on mine. So that's something to keep in mind. Maybe it's my fault. But overall, if I had to recommend metallic brush markers to someone that, like me, is in a budget but wants to explore more shades, I would totally recommend these Ohuhu ones, because you can beat that price for that amount of pens. So I hope you find this video helpful. So if you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This channel needs lots of love, and I'm gonna be making more videos this year because, you know, it's a new year, same me, but whatever. Okay. See you in the next one.